Welcome again in this video. As you know, we're just exploring Bujumbura, and now we are in Rusiba area. Uh, Here is Nyabugete Kora. So the last video we explored Nyabugete, but the place where people living, and right now we are in the place where people farming and also fishing. That is why you see everywhere there is a plant and also a rest of houses for living. But this place is nearby Tanganyika and it's for farming and also fishing. So be ready, never miss with everything here in this video. We're going to explore them. Let's go together. So we approached this boy who was fishing with a net, and we asked him to show us how they fishing with a net. And here, see how he do that. And never it, we just tried it also and see how the result was. Wow, fishing near the lake Tanganyika is what I'm doing. Yes. Wow, guys, look at this. Wow, wow. Wow, guys, look at this. I'm a fisherman. I'm a fisherman. I'm the best one. You know. Wow. See. This one. Okay, as I said, here people live by farming and also fishing. You see, every place here there is a cassava plant here and here. You see, everywhere is full of cassava plants. It means that they like to eat cassava bread. There is also other thing I saw there when I was coming. I was coming. If it's possible, I will. Yeah, I will show you a video here. Pass here a video. Uh, what is called is a bread that they made in cassava called the uburobe. Yes, uburobe. Here, I saw they made full of uburobe. Yes, uh, that uburobe is made by cassava, and you see here, every place here is full of cassava. There is no maize, there is no beans, there is no other plant. Uh, Here, what I see right now is only cassava plant. Yes, wow. Here we are in Ruziba, one of the many quarters called Nyabugete. Yes, wow. Guys, here in Nyabugete uh, is a quarter which is near Lake Tanganyika. You see those palms. Do you see palms? Down there, there is a Lake Tanganyika. Yes, there is a Lake Tanganyika. As you see where we come from, we was near the Lake Tanganyika there, and also the Lake Tanganyika is going like this place. Yes, wow, this is a beautiful things. Wow, guys, always, we are just exploring on this YouTube channel. Wow. Oh. Let's be near this place and see what we can explore there. I don't know where we can meet there, but let's be there and keep exploring. Yes, stay with us. Never miss this one, and never forget to subscribe on this YouTube channel. Always it's your boy Minani Jean Claude on Murun Daily Show. Yes, with my best friend there, called Fila Fils. Yes, he called himself Fila Fils. Wow. Do you see? Let me put in front. Yes. Every place here, every printer here is. Oh, look at what is this? Oh, I feel something move there. I don't know what is it. There, this. There's something moved there. I don't know what is it. Okay, let's continue. Do you see? Everywhere is full of a cassava plant. Do you see? Wow. Okay. And the other things I found here is that there is it's a place for farming and for fishing, but there are also some houses. Yes. In the last video, we visited in the place where people lived only, but now we are in the place where people doing the the farming and also fishing. But as we see, there are also houses. You see, not normal houses, beautiful houses. You see, it means that in the next years, uh, towns will go only even here. As you see, look at there. Look, take a look. Do you see? There is also a beautiful houses. It means that in the next years, it will be full of many houses and beautiful. Wow. You see? You see? 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 Wow. Okay. Right now we are near. Let's be there. Okay. Let's be there and see how that place is. Let's just explore different things. Okay. And other thing here, uh, they say that this place was full of was full of water, but time by time, those water goes slow. People choose to build houses. You see, they're in constructions. You see, people still build the house for living. Oh, what those people are doing there? They are farming. It seems that those people are farming. Oh, okay. And the other things that I found here is that this quarter is divided by many pieces. It's shown by the ways. Here is a Lord, as you see. This is the Lord. We come from there, and this is the another Lord, and it's full of many lords here. Yes, wow. When they in next years when they build everywhere, it will be a beautiful quarter because we're gonna have beautiful houses and also a beautiful roads. Yeah, and you know that if a court have a beautiful roads and also beautiful houses, it's be fine. Yes. Oh guys, here we just see where to go through because it's full of water. Let's see other way. Okay, go. Let's see other way and keep explore about this Ruziva quarter on or Nyabugete. Wow. So guys, as you see, this is where we can, because we can go there because everywhere is full of water. Yeah, but as you see the road Tanganyika, and you see the people there are farming. The kids there are fishing. As we saw that for the first place there where we were, and we see that this receiver is beautiful place, and
as we started there, I told you that uh, this quarter is the quarter which is near the Lake Tanganyika. So we are right now we are exploring many things. And it's not the end, but we see in many videos we see they are fishing. Uh, Others are coming. We see this place isn't that is the place they will farm the rice. Yes, the rice. Even here, you see, here is the rice. Yeah, it's the rice. And up there we see it's full of the cassava plant, but here because it's full of water, is the plant here is rice. Yes. Wow. Okay, let me thank you, all of you. We start together and we end this video together. With so many prayers here. We saw many things, many activities here, like fishing and farming. And also, we saw the place where kids or men was fishing. Also, as you see, some people are farming this place. So that is the place that it is near the Lake Tanganyika. We saw everything is good, everything's okay. But in here, Nyabugete or Ruziba, they not only farming and fishing, not up there. People makes many activities like selling many things there. We will see it in other videos. Let's see in next video and explore how people up there live. Okay. If you like to explore, this is your YouTube channel, Moro Daily Show. Make sure you subscribe on this YouTube for more videos that be with you. Thanks.